Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Vivo X60 Pro and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings and now let's tap on display and brightness. As you can see here, we've got the option screen timeout, so simply tap on it, and here we've got some options from which we can choose, so we can set either 15 or 30 seconds or 1 to 5 or 10 minutes. Right now we've got 10 minutes applied because this option is marked, but all you have to do in order to change it is to simply tap on the option you'd like to use. So I'll pick, for example, 5 minutes, and as you can see, it is notified right here, so it means that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So actually, this is it. This is how to change the screen timeout in your Vivo X60 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.